guys, welcome to our second C++ OpenGL tutorial. So last time we introduced ourselves to the OpenGL. So this tutorial we're gonna talk about creating a window. So before we can create a beautiful graphic in OpenGL, first we need to create a context and a window, that is an OpenGL window. But this operation is always specific and is much high process and time consuming for us. So luckily there are libraries that help us to do so. So the library we're gonna use here is called GLFW. It's a library that creates an OpenGL context and window for us and some inputs of OpenGL. So why GLFW? Let's see. GLFW is a library writing in C, especially targeted at OpenGL, providing the bare necessity required for rendering goodies to the screen. It allows us to create an OpenGL context, define a window parameter, and handle user inputs, which is all that we need. The focus of this and the next tutorial is getting GLFW up and running, making sure it properly creates an OpenGL context and that it properly display a window for us to render in. The tutorial will take a step-by-step approach in retrieving, building, and linking the GLFW library. For this tutorial, we will use the macros. We will use code blocks. I'm using code blocks IDE. Note that the process is the same for the more recent code blocks version. If you are not using code blocks or older version, don't worry, the process will be similar on most other IDEs. So remember, GLFW is a window creation and context creation library, an OpenGL window creation library. It helps us to create a window and a context, which is more likely useful in games. So here those libraries save us all this operating system specific work and give us a window and an OpenGL context to render in. Some of the popular libraries are GLUT, SDL, SFML, and GLFW. For this tutorial we will be using GLFW. So first thing, we need to go and download the GLFW in the website. GLFW can be obtained from their web page, download page. So open your browser and go to their web page, www.glfw.org. then you find the download button here. Check if it's the latest version, then you download it. So I've downloaded mine and mine is 3.2.1. so in the next video we're gonna start building our library and linking it to our project so we can use it. So thank you and see you in the next video.